If you want to restore backup from Google Drive on Samsung Galaxy A11, then you can do this during the initial configuration. And over here, if you want to perform the backup, you need to go into this screen. So you want to go through the first setup until you see copy apps and data. And in this case, you want to choose next, then can't use other device. And most likely you will need to sign into your Google account afterwards. So let's see what is the next step. There we go. Indeed, we have to sign into our Google account. So let's just do this. Afterwards, we need to agree to Google Terms of Service. And then we should be able to see if we have any backup available on our Google account. And there we go. In my case, I don't have any backups, but in your case, if you do have a backup on the Google account that you just logged into, then you should be able to select the backup over here. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.